Hey gang, Poppy here. This is the second in a series of TV and movie reviews, special comments, spoiler deliveries. Okay. I have been binging the Edward James Olmos Battlestar Galactica. I'm nearly into the third season right now. And it's been just about a week. Watched 2, 3, maybe 4 episodes. Go to bed. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, those of you who aren't aware of Battlestar Galactica, there are 2 TV series named Battlestar Galactica. They both started off with a mini-series, like, 2-part movie. The Lauren Green from the 1970s, which is followed after its way too long a run on TV. Was followed by Galactica 1980, where they had the actor who played Officer Reed and Adam 12 playing Adama's son, who is now the boss. Anyway, the difference between the Lauren Green Battlestar Galactica and the Edward James Olmos Battlestar Galactica is not subtle. It's like a bash upside the head with a shovel. It's so unsubtle. The Lauren Green Battlestar Galactica, they did not respect the genre they were working in. Case in point, one episode of the Lauren Green Battlestar Galactica, they encounter Patrick McNee playing the devil. Well, they didn't tell us that at first, but he was the devil. And he was on this planet, and he wanted the souls of the people in the fleet, plus he wanted a ship. No respect for their genre. All through the Lauren Green Battlestar Galactica, you get stupid shit like that. Now, the Edward James Olmos. Sorry, little bit of haircut stuck in my mouth. Anyway, the Edward James Olmos Battlestar Galactica didn't go for funny. It went straight to blood and guts. That's why it was a superior production from the Lauren Green.
Better make sure every last hair is off this towel.
Anyway, another difference between the two, all the way through the Lauren Green Battlestar, there's this character named Boxy. I believe they said he was Apollo's son. I mean, he was the comedic relief in a comedy science fiction show. Edward James Olmos, we had a Boxy, and he only showed up twice in the whole series. And the second half of the mini-series movie that they chopped up, And it was minor. He showed up in the mess hall for about a minute, and his face showed up a few episodes later. He didn't talk. He wasn't spoken to. He was just there for about less than a minute. This could be because of child labor laws. They may not have wanted to pay all that extra money for having a child actor. So they minimized him in a big hurry. Now, the Edward James Olmos production, he started it. They had all the facets of mankind thrown in your face. Prostitution, black marketing, alcoholism, drug use, treason, psychoses, neuroses, all that stuff, all the frailties of mankind displayed almost to their ugliest possibilities. I mean, Lauren Green would have never stood for a number 6 running around mostly naked. Seemed like number 6 got naked every time we saw her in the first 2 seasons. Anyway, Lauren would have never countenanced that. Anyway, and here's a spoiler. After the Edward James Olmos Battlestar Galactica, there was a TV series called Caprica. It was pretty powerful. Although they could have gotten much more power into it. But I think they had censorship problems. I won't tell you the revelations that Caprica brought forward, prequel, sneakquel to the Edward James Olmos Battlestar Galactica, but it was a powerful presentation, even though I think someone come along with castrating knife and did their best. They still had the power. I recommend the Edward James Olmos Battlestar Galactica. I do not recommend Lauren Green's Battlestar Galactica. Now that I've told you this, I'm going to go for now. Good night from California.